Sanibonani guys, ngicela ukufika ne ngithe ngoba ngiziphe i-weekend off ngingekho la. Ngiqale ngestory sangapha ku TikTok. Ehlong sapheka sangale ku Red App ubani sengiphusha ngalesi. Ikilobona. Usisi or awushozi okay sharp. Bona le Christmas event ku Merikung. So like we conference nyana but we abahlanganise ama Christmas party. Ubona from another company ni company bahlanganisa because ngathi ama partners abantu abayi1. So uthi ngihlangane no guy. So sis uthi kina dipuo or awushozi goba mpedi like goba kona le mayemo goba le mayemo something like that. Hi. Uthi so usisi uthi awushozi ke mopedi and khonyadiwa ke mayemo ga botse in our baby culture mosadi tshwantse gore a role mhllohlo mosadi go gapara thito ke go ba mzadi like o feletsa fihla go that part. Uthi okay I was choosing ngihlangane nalomuntu lo Christmas party ora re kopana go be mnati o brothers vele angitshela ukuthi no mina I do have a girlfriend but izinto zethu vele toxic se relationship yethu uya towards the end. So that's why I'm looking for a person engaphila na isikhathi eside. At my age ngahlahle ngifuna umuntu oserious ozimele osebenzayo wazi ukuthi une 5-year plan una direction obatlo dirang in the next 5 years even in the next 12 months obatlo isa ngabophelo ba ga akinyake mothotlo go dependang monna ozoba monna wa ka eng mogatsa ka go tlo mkirelang yabona things like that. Uthi brothers abetle vele on set vele abetle angaqala ukuthi uza ngetori. Uthi okay awushozi mina ngicela ukuhlwana nomuntu wami sihlukene because of upractice one of my friends bebatshonjana wamkhulelisa so sicela ukuhlukana vele uthi ngifresh vele ku dating market ngisifunela umuntu ubrothers sithi brothers ukosi sithi lo ibody inkosi yabona uthi ngihlangane nokosi vele angiphe vele iCV yakhe kulobona ali represent mina nokosi vele ibona indaba zethu vele siyazwana. Uthi nje ukuthi okay mina ngeke ngize ngukudate usese nomuntu uzothi the day ungasana umuntu then utlomfonela herabu. Uthi ukosi athi you know what hence sengibona ukuthi ngiphi contact number yakho and I'm telling you by next week la bekele sengilike batla motho mekinse ke batlana le motho ga botsebotse o mo right and I think gore wena you are ticking all the boxes. What I was choosing okay in weekend second week I'm phone look at let's meet I want to talk to you what I connect vele sikhulume vele ukuthi sohlala kuphi kanjani. What I was choosing brothers vele angiphe out lunching or retama very big mall see lapho uthi umuntu vele angiphe at choose a restaurant la funa ukudla khona. What I was choosing hole nna ikhetho or kinyakoja ko guy or I brothers vele sidle masiqeda vele brothers vele apatale. Or I was choosing nje ngikhathela ngikagosi because of Kemopedi and understands the culture yamapedi angeke solo bathi ngichaza izinto ezingapheli kulobona so nalena re uthi vele sithandane ukosi vele uhlala one no geli na uhlala one kulobona so awushozi kilulakele one so ukosi kube nomuntu ukuthi ufuna uvakasha vele endlini yami uthi vele ngim-allow ngithi uzovakasha uthi ukosi vele mangafika bekuyi towards i festive yabona festive season ama companies amakhulu ayavala ngisho nawasi and then bazovula nge-first week or second week kaJanuary. So uthi azeke angitshela ukuthi ngoba i-festive seyaqala and uzohamba uzomuva uyekini so and into ethi sise fresh naphela ake batlo hore ke nomholo hore ngaba kewe makotseleng kinya go bona so mangifuna ukuza ikini ngiza kanjani kunobani inhlalosha uthi vele ngimtshela ukuthi ngithi uhlala umama wami nobaba wami nomntwana sekithi brother yakhe young brother so bantu basekithi lapho ungabathola mangathuzeki athi bano angarike batlonyala fresh relationship fresh nangiswa angarike batlonyala papa ho tlodumela na uthi get at hi masinya so like let's get to know each other first let's zokhuluma kamagadi okay angarike kunyala the following year ka good friday ukahala na athi it depend ukuthi umthita kanjani and umuntu omojwang I cannot say no kumagadi tlabe ho le bad luck yabona uthi okay sharp uthi vele mina no brother se go be mnati or awushozi go be mnati umotho like uthi kama boxes wami nangale esiphatlweni remo ra align everything. Uthi okay sharp ubrother si date is very sivale emsebenzini ngemakhaya uthi angifonele athi ke batotla ke torobala ko bkhweng khale ke sa ubone mina ukuthi ufunela la khabo geli eno geli sekiba ngisho bavalile emsebenzini. Uthi brothers vele uthi brothers instead ukuthi ame vele endleleni angifonele uthi vele athi kimi athi ngicela ungivulele igate uthi awushozi akabotsa batswadi ba gore ke na le motho and motho o tla tloeta. I'm thinking ukuthi uzoza maybe very late at night nimnyonyobisi angene stuff like that. So brother was like no ngabo 3-4 akhopola kule gate uthi awushozi I need to go and get permission phela kuba bami ukuthi nginesivakashi and windoda. Uthi awushozi ke botse papa ka no one of my colleagues ingathi ufuna ukuba mkhwenyana wakho ukhona la ngaphandle so bengicela ukuthi ngambumela ukuthi angene endlini na azongivakashela. Uthi basho baba vele avumi athi as long as ngiyenzela le kamareni li-1 ngizavuma. Awushozi uthi vele ngimvulele uthi umuntu vele ahlike abheri bhaji vele like angishiya ukuthi kamanye amakhathi umkhwenyana fanele ukuthi ungene uvale like uvale ukwethi mahobe man ugcoke ibhaki yabona to show respect ku khana ngunguza so ku father in law ay yasini. So utahlike vele ugcoke ibhaji uthi vele aqeda athi kimi athi kunama plastic ebhodi bengicela ngihlisele. Or I was just like ngibe surprised with lo muntu lona like asazani for isikhathi eside but like now so ethangathi dala ku relationship nami enibili ke mkhonyana moleng official enibili bamitseba. Uthi vele ngihlisa ama plastic hayi vele uthi ngima ashara ngene dining room ahlale phansi uthi ubaba vele uhleli ngaphandle ngasemuva uthi vele sicoxe uthi athi yimi athi angifuni kube ngathi disrespectful ekini but mina angisiye mfana ukuthi ngizoma endleleni or angisemfana ukuthi ngizozikini ebusuku futhi bangibone ukuthi ngumuntu wakho and banitsebe and batsebe ukuthi nawa ngamanga yabona. Hayi sharp uthi hayi vele sihlale vele sichile isikhathi ukuthi vele ulala ngithi wena uzolala noyanga brother wami ubaba mama ngiyavuma ukuthi lale kamareni li-1. Uthi brother sangabe nenkinga vele bahambe bayishare i-room neyanga brother uthi mina vele ngilale ngi-1. Uthi the following day vele makazohamba vele afike athi ngicela ukuthi ungibusele babakho. Uthi hayi ubaba vele abona ukuthi inwadi mshimane ngarotla kataba emakemolate. Uthi hayi vele bahamba uhlala like bayiludula kohorong. Uthi badle batlotle kube ukuthi umuntu yazi introduce ukuthi umntwana kabani wakuphi yena ubona intombazana yakhe yayithanda in and he's hoping ukuthi angeza athumele abomalume batlishe dikhomo yabona. I uthi vele following day vele ahambe vele uProdas. Ha uthi vele ngihlale because of like imsebenzini ngivale uthi ngihlale and then arrange ukuhlangana like into the nearest mall and stuff like that usibonana and stuff. Uthi baba like abe impressed ukuthi lo muntu lo vele ungalesirity and uvela ifamily ni like imfundise kahle uyahlonipha imizi yabantu yabona. Uthi baba mathi mina I cannot angeke ngize ngimind ukuthi angaba mkhonyana wami the way like asikhombisa ngakhona uzilelana ibile azangahlale shithi matsogo hatloroba la motho ja dishebo tsa rena utlirekile shebo sa yayibona indaba usister sir astros okay into yethu vele uqhubeka ukuthi January vele emsebenzini ibe serious indaba uthi vele as promised nge first week vele ethuma ngibody festive body Easter angitshela athi azeni mina ngifuna ukuthi ngithumele abantu ekini bayolobola because like I'm not getting any younger. So ke batla mosadi and I think you're the perfect mokoti for my man. Or I was the side of family akanyazi but yena already uyazi family yami. Uthi hayi vele ibe kanjalo vele uthi masiya kuma Good Friday sisivalele Good Friday uthi vele athumele vele mahadi vele ubaba vele awavuma. Bangibuza uthi uyabazi na bakabukusi uthi hayi nami ngivume vele indaba ibe mnandi awusithozi renyale gobe gore vele nalena rakwana di payslip pepenene di finances pepenene di credit score everything ipepenene uyabona sishade just like that. Uthi after vele mahadi lobola kube ndaba ukuthi umuntu uthi na ke batla ngwana and how about staying but brother said how about this yenze i-joint bond sikhona uthenga indlu soyi-2 and enenani eliphezulu kulobona elenkodi suburbs ngoba ama-salary wethu maka combined i2 like angisingaphuma nendlu enhle I was because of ke monna waka and wona no like akankoloto undwalishije mosihlohlo and stuff like that yabona. So ivume uthi hayi vele sicontact vele agent vele la sifuna ukuthi ngakhona indlu uthi vele isihambise through i-process uthi mara the agent ingitshela ukuthi hayi why nifuna ukwenza i-joint bond why ningathengi like 2 houses nihlale ke-1 irentise for you ukuthi kube ne-global lebele di-assets within imshado wenu ngomsisemusha. Ubrasa athi no mina nomuntu wami sihlukanisa ukufa how about sithenge indlu esi-able perfect for both of us and ezosifanela kulona. or awushoza i-process ihambe bank is approve ibani sithenga umuzi uphilo bube mnate rithomulula kokae go di-suburbs and abuti unale koloi lena I've got my own car, so everything sizoyithenga manje sizoyithenga together. Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Hey Nkosi nodipu izostistephe imvula guys nama lightning. Hey ngiyaxolisa. Okay sharp usisi uthi hey awushozi si move vele siye endlini etwensha uthi masizo move vele afonele basekibo athi bona in their culture ngesikibo fanele ukuthi uqale kuzolala abantu abadala endlini before bona bazolala, like wa introducer ngasama ancestors or ba introducer in hore like memoya or something angazi ngichaza into engayazi mara kona lokho yabona bakhona bazi into engikhulumayo. Okay sharp uthi vele aba invite vele bomatswala and stuff like that vele bezendlini uthi besingazi just thingi finish uthi vele sifike vele kuphekwe kubrayi kube mnandi uthi kube mnandi awushozi mama zala uthi vele ayo motho motse so motse o shota bana kamo go shota tshwantse go le sello sa ngwana kamo yabona ube nda they think ukuthi you pressurize ukuthi manje phela sala ntombazana. Okay, hi mama zala uthi mina I didn't have ama mother-in-law issues or in-laws issues. Like they respect me, they love me as their own daughter. Akena matata uthi nami invite the family yami ke isizwe uzobona indlu kube mnandi man both families basijabulele sibe the first abathenga indlu like with the suburbs yabona. Uthi isikhathi esihambe awushozi indoda vele ngitshele vele straight to khona no rebatla ngwana, please give me a child. Which is both of us as namntwana from our previous relationships, so kumele ukuthi manje ke si reperform ngwana wa rona uri awushozi unyaka uphele vele ngingabe pregnant ayisicala vele stress ukuthi hayis ngwana ngaka ufela solo hlaba and since baqala nokudate yabona uthi decide ukuthi amasiye edoctorini so check ukuthi so itu si right na ukuthi singayenze ngani ayekho umuntu onenkinga uthi hayi vele sirana kulani wama test sihambe uthi sithuphane bafind out ukuthi no really baba itu very fertile, so akekho umuntu one problem, so izinto so sathi isikhathi, so we must not stress ourselves because of sifuna umntwana immediately yabona. Uthi okay awushozi hayi indoda vele iqale vele ibe nomngane yaqala vele nini sekuzabangana endlini colleagues jaka chumchaka libathochila in sizobasalana endlini sibekele nebhola or kungabe nenkinga uthi mina on the other hand awushozi I used to have friends, so wangitshela awulomsadi awuthatha nokuba bashadi babasanyala or meaning akungamelanga ukuthi wena abangani baba abangakashadanga ukukhuluma inabo, so like cut off your friends and like even ama colleagues angashadanga ubulela ilengilebona, so I don't like that yabona. Uthi ayivele ngibakhathi vele uthi ngizikhipha kancane vele banganeni kube ukuthi my husband this my husband that yabona bahlala bayi-two phela the whole time and husband le hands on yabona, for most of the time asenze grocery masenza inibisihamba siyi-two like bekayimngani wami yabona. Uthi na okay nini so invite abangani how okay angibi nenkinga ecaleni. Okay the following weekend futhi bayeza uthi ngikhulume na ngithi yo when you said ngabe nabangani abangashadanga, but I can see ukuthi wena manje labantu obalitha lana abangashadanga bonke, so like is it fair for you now uthi awushuthi uqala inkinga zami lapho uthi athi usikale bala or umusadi ka munake na usikale bala yabona. Uthi like abe na this certain change ngoba manje sochila nabangani ashintshe umuntu kube ukuthi sisetsha nyakontwara like ukilobona uba ngathi uba strict give me ukuthi like is not this relationship ukuthi is open and honest sa communicate. Okay uthi awushoze ayibezela i2 ke uthi labo i4 vele ngibatshela abangani ngithi mina I don't mind doing imperial and stuff like that, but angifuni ukuthi each and every weekend ngizochilla ngapha ngakwami nakamo asi-chilling spot ke motswaka and I'm trying to build a family. Uthi ngibatshele in front of my husband bangithi ngibalithela vele ibaba ngisho bayabasa ngibalithela ibaba namasalad. Uthi mangikade ube i-tractor friend vele ngibatshele ukuthi I don't want you guys uthi nizela each and every weekend more asi-chilling spot. This is my house and I respect my peace, so bengicela next week niye kumunye umuzi not here ningasezi ngapha unless kune ceremonies and invite, but for now uthi vele ngibona ukuthi the husband pissed off uthi because ngikhuluma self because of ngibe ne conversation naye before ngabona ukuthi akangithathi serious, so I was like I will sort this thing out because angithandi ukuthi each and every weekend ka gola music batho ba chishe konke kyarasiwa kyahleki, you don't even know ukuthi bakhuluma ngani, yabona. Athi ngathi amanye stop kusese early uthi I was sure you don't know awubatsebe balana athi ngalo umzuzu phela wazi ukuthi mina naye lendlu lesihlanganyela asindlu yakhe ayi1 ngiyabhadala na uyabhadala siyashare nama rates and taxes ngapha lemhlakase ra share, yabona. Uthi ku episode bomunye umuntu ngabona ukuthi my husband does everything but we go 50-50 because of makayi 1 bengeke azakhona ngesalary yakhe, so masikhomba la soyi2 siyakhona. Uthi vele indoda vele ikwathe uthi that night vele angitshela ibilikhoroba la ga asithi aSimon bilikhoroba la ga Simon like umpontshithe or one disrespect apela dichomi jaka katsamaya. Uthi awusoze indoda iphume ukuqala sihlala endlini bekaphuma ngalala endlini athi vele angalahambe vele abangani bakhathula la kaSimon vele ibe ukuthi into normal ukuthi manje sewuyibangani ngihlala ngi1 endlini manje ibangani ngihlala ngi1 endlini ngaleso sikhathi we are trying ukuthi sibe nengane, yabona. Or awushoze ibe in normal kanti why yo go be normal ya rena hore vele mighty Friday my husband knows ukuthi Friday yazi uyi because sebenza Monday to Friday it's bakena is either kuba nomncwaba, is either kuba nomshado, is either uya ku kai, is either uya ku high. Friday ama weekend akasawa spend endlini sengihlala ngendlini ngi1 each and every weekend because this weekend ulobalela inyalo kayela ulobalela ifentale kayela uya ku machitengi kayelo uya ku high each and every month wonke 4 yama weekend wonke anazinto zabo kuyakhona ukuthi lenyanga kube nemingcwabe e3 siya ingcwabeni kabantwana nosama nabo Simon ubantwana wakibo Simon uyibo bantwana ushonile yawazi amadoda njalo ahlala ngekho endlini ngama weekend nawaza ngisho dikobo banjabana. Uthi awusoze vele ibe kanjalo vele ukuthi umuntu wami vele uhlala ngekho every weekend or kiphela ke le1 every weekend, and remember angisena bangani and I cannot go home every weekend bazothi kanti why washindoda yakho endlini, so I don't want basikithi even abasiki bazi ukuthi what's going on, so I'm trying to protect the image yomshado wami. Uthi awusoze ibe ndaba njalo uthi makabuya vele ngama Sunday benta mama ngabo 11:10 akangeke abuye Sunday yabe ngo2 or abe ngo1 or abe ngabo 11 sizochila nje Sunday yobuya mina sengisezingubeni i-lifestyle ayiphila yonke leyo. Uthi awusoze one time makabuya vele angithole vele ngemile sofeni uthi ngimbuza bonya letho ke kuba le security la mondlo na uthi vele ngimbuze ngiphume ekudlaleni uthi athi urenke uthi atkere wangwa gore ke bonya letho ke be security la ka mondlo na because ona no uphila usokona umeriko Monday to Friday I understand lena ke meriko but Saturday and Sunday ngidlula ke le mo ke lentlong every day ke le 1 and orobala kontle like you're leaving me uhamba wena ulala nabangani bakho ulala kaSipani unomngqobo kuphi kunani kuphi wena every weekend phela umbotho ifunya kamsadi umongo give prepared lenda, yabona. Athole brothers vela athethe athi angicabangela in and I want to yibolela yabona. Uthi vele aphi awusoze ngibona ukuthi umuntu wami mina so uyachita uthi bengana proof but I can see athi indoda yakho mayichita uyakhona ukuyibona, you can see sudden change nje uyibona athi bengibona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle kahle manje so uyachita but I cannot prove because I cannot prove. Uthi ngambuza ukuthi uyachita uthi vele ngimtshela ukuthi indaba zokuthi uhlala la endlini ngenzi security uthi vele ngikhuluma uthi ngibone le uyajumping ngakhona ukuthi awuyangicabangela mina mangihamba naba Simon nabo bani why uba nenkinga why wena ungahambi ke uzikhiphela endlini ube nabangani bakho ngeweekend namo na uhambe phela azange ngikwalele mina I said ube nabangani abashadile. Uthi awusoze atshela indlebe ezwayo ngizitshela ukuthi yabona now dipu uzoyiphilela wena life itloba about you, your happiness asatloba kalinyalo laka my house my everything before kungaza mina phambi before ngeza mina, so now on bophilo it's about uthi vele atshela indlebe ezwayo ngizwe awusoze uthi lo ngizomkhoma ukuthi ngubani akangazi. Hayi usisi uthi awusoze ngihlalise phansi lo muntu lo ngimbuza ukuthi kahle kahle is it me okwenza ukuthi uphume kwakhona uhlule ukuthi uhlale kwakho angeke sithenge this beautiful house say awusakhona uhlala kiyo. Athi no because of like wena unampilo outside umshado wethu, like tshwantse o be le life ya gago as an individual before ka ba le life ya lenyalong. O sa ba gore wena each and every time monna wa gago bona. So nna I do have my life beside umshado wethu, of which ke mo ke ntshang go teng stressa ko mmerekong. Anyeke everything hlale nginawe 24/7. Uthi discussion uthi ngimbuze kahle ukuthi okay, so kusho ukuthi mina because of angikhona ukuba pregnant or ngaba pregnant yet isho molingelo ngilarena. Athi no, it's not about that. Like enjoy your life a little bit before uzoba nengane. Ikubona or utse ore no bophelo bakhe ke enjoyile. So uthi ngisuggest ukuthi okay ngama weekends ngoba uhlalo ngekho asenze ama couples trip ke, like iritsamaye reading stuff like that, for ukuthi sikhona spend equality time together. Uthi kube suggestion yami athi kimi athi izinto ama cost line endlini manje semaningi, asibhajethe ngandla hlala budgetile la khona uthi together. Uthi ngibone lapho umuntu umuntu lo akafuna ukuhamba nami, but ufuna ukuhamba nabangani bakhe, and imali ukuthi hamba nabangani bakhe unayo, but not ukuthi hamba na. Uthi awusozivele icala vele ingidlike lapho ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle kahle ikhona into ayenza beside uba nabangani bakhe. Uthi ngiqaleke lapho ngibe PI ngi-investigate. Uthi awushozi umuntu vele azele emsebenzini, uthi ngiyemsebenzi, uthi one day ngithi ngena kwami egedini, uthi this other girl angimise vele, angimise athi hayi njani ngifuna ukosi. What awushozi ngikhuluma so at a young girl and pregnant athi ufuna ukosi. Hawu ngimangala ukuthi ufuna ukosi muphi. Uthi amusho vele ikosi plus her name athi usebenza ku kai uthi amaka kolweso so athi registration. Uthi ngibona ukuthi yabona lo ukhuluma ngeyami indoda, like awuna uri bathwana ke monna wakhe. Uthi ngithi intombazana before ngakuvula igate ngifake ukuthi ngingenela na kwami ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi kahle kahle umisa kuphi ukosi. Alikosi ungimisitha afisha amakho wampheya. Awushozi urithatsile ngazwa ngathi bakhipha inhliziyo yami bayibeka phansi kwashala kunomgudi ovusa igazi. Urikari oring akele ungimisitha afisha amakho wampheya. So I want to show him more akasingire jona nje. Uthi ambuza ukuthi kwami ukwazi kanjani location never lo hotla ngere sure to drop off le ba dichomi jaha and then refit. So ngiyibona location ukuthi kwakhe ula. Or I didn't even believe it. Angabelievanga uthi intombazana athi ngicela ukumlinda. Ukumlinda uzazumbuza makafika. Or awushozi nganyaya nentombazane endlini kwami uthi athi ngicela uke toilet, uthi ngimtshela ukuthi ungaya. Or untombazane iphakame like most of straight ko toilet isaba motor ikomi yakho ngofu. Uthi ngibona ukuthi lentombazane lanana kwami yakwazi. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi wena ukhiweza la endlini, athi yebo ngikhengetha. Athi waletha kwani, athi ikosi ngikhathele ikosi wena ngithi noyile ko hino noyile ko guy. Ngenza la for a weekend. Awushozi uthi I can ngabona lapho ukuthi okay this guy has been playing me all this months. Mina ngisho ukuthi he's faithful ke monna wakhe wanratha kanti mangekwenza lamanyala nabantu bakhe. Uthi awushozi ngimiyeke ngithi ayihlala la esofeni, uthi mina ngipheke vele kitchen ngipheke. Uthi umgulu ukuthi uvele ngizwe imoto vele iduma vule igalashanyeni. Uthi ngibe ready, uthi manje ngimela amangakho uthi uthini. Uthi vele angene vele kitchen. Angibulisi angabonanga ugele ukuthi use dining room. Uthi angibulisi ngithi njani athi ngikhona. Uthi ngimbuze before aye dining room, uthi ngimbuze ngaligele igama lakhe. Uthi ngimbuze ukuthi uyamazi ubani. Yabona athi hayi awumazi usibani. Uthi athi hayi. Uthi usibani uthi wena umprekisile. Athi hayi mina ngimazi le ntombazane leyo ubani igama lakhe angimazi. Uthi vele uthi that girl uhleli ngale dining room kitchen ungenele ngase kitchen. Uthi ngimbuze untombazane sona so yes at aphike alal athi ngithi angiyazi nakachita hayi wontomo. Uthi umuntu aphike school aphike or aphike moto arinakachita. Uthi ambuze intombazane athi ngimbuze futhi, and before afike ukosi intombazane yangikhoma ama pictures. They were together, bebathandana vele like beba ku serious relationship before aba pregnant. Athi intombazane sona uthi like ngiyambuza ngisho because of I already know ukuthi sisikhona ngale. So ngifuna ukuthi yena asifase ngamanga. Or awushozi kana kose kimothisane I'm recording. Uthi I'm recording because ngiyakuthatha uzongiphika lo muntu lo. Uthi ngiyam voice recorder, akam record like ngevideo. Yabona? Uthi vele ngimbuza aphika. Uthi okay buyasohla la phansi ke. Uthi vele mina ngokhavele emva kwakhe yena uhamba phambili. Uthi uthi ngibone ngeposture ukuthi umuntu armulo utharegile. athi claps ubona le ntombazana lehleli lapha yana athi lo muntu bengibuza ngayinanga uthi sithe mpamogaka so wena umophira ora re bereka jwa ora athi ambize ngigaba are usamphaphela nosamphaphela oroba le bokheni libo mang una no tori mshitshikeni intombazana ayithi mina ngihambile ngakatshela ngumfazi wakho iqiniso and ke batot buza gore nna ko tshwarisha maintenance and if ke tshwarisha maintenance it affect le msadi yawo because wena if usengikuphatela msadi yawo to uphatela uthi umuntu utshola nabantombazana ba uthi intombazana le une information ushuthi la kuzomtshela ukuthi ngizoyenza so and if wona ungafuna ukwenza umfazi wakho uzoyenza because of wena naye shade in community of property or awushozi umuntu aphiki athi intombazana athi okay mina sengimkhombile umfazi wakho ama video nama pictures wami nawe so ngitshela ukuthi ubani onamanga ke between the two uthi ubuza mina manje le ntombazana umpotso ke mangana le ngimaka between mona hawlin ke mangana le ngimaka uthi azange ngifuna ukuthi intombazana ukuthi ushade ujole ne married man or ungene kwami uthi I didn't want to fight nale ntombazana le because azange azisuse lahlala khona aze kwamazolala kwami azange azasuse uthi ngimbuze mina ukuthi ulele nale ntombazana le without protection number 1 number 2 uthatha le ntombazana le uzolala nayo la number 3 each and every weekend watswa umuntu ngisha umuntu ngimsadi hawo awuthi uri mothoro bale batho ba kae number 1 number 2 uzolala nami la mina I'm respecting you as my husband wena ujama ufandisha kanto ha ka mondle ke yona ona una le ngwana awuna ngwana since kopana na una ngwana so u litho first bona ha uxoba ngwana nyatsi na uthi umuntu akucinga amadola qala khale ya apologize I'm sorry like I didn't think this thing is ogcina selana ke botlaela ba dichomi abajola ba le banyana le nna ke atopa in uthi umuntu axolisi uthi ngitshela intombazana ngithi intombazana ungahamba uye ekhaya but umuntu ngizwenza sho ukuthi umntwana uyambheka yamsupport ukuthi kwenzakalani between nina no two it's up to you again but I will make it a point ukuthi umntwana wakho uyamodla because umntwana wakho anasebi or awushoza izinyanga vele sihambe vele umuntu vele ngama weekend akasahambe futhi akasanabangani so hlala sendlini uthi okay intombazana vele izale umntwana vele abe khona intombazana ifone ukuthi unomntwana in angithumela ama picture uthi ngabe nendaba awushoza uthi ngimtshela ukuthi each and every month romela ngona chelete and hobe priority ya gore ake go potse akinya ko ngwana atle ka matlontelela ka mokaka already on delete it's enough yabona uthi vele ubrother sevele naye a supporting ngane uthi vele ngithathele recording ngithumela umamazali ukuthi umntwana khona umntwana in uthi umama vele amangalati kosi ngwana kontle uthi ngimuthi ngerecording lesikhathi ngimconfronta uthi ngimuthi ngithome uthi vele umamazala vele akube ukuthi umuntu right eze vele endlini azofaka lona icourt uthi vele bamthethise athi sikhapha likhaba intombazana sobona le ntombazana athi makotari sama uthi mina ngithi mina le ndlela ngiyihambile so angisafuna ukuyihamba yaphambili from here on kuzoba yini naye nake sadikena uthi vele bahambe ke bayibona ingane uthi vele makabuya vele angitshela ngathi makoti intombi nawo ajira ngiyona so uthi vele ngimchazela ukuthi umuntu wakho umntwana wakho every weekend nadula serona nona le manyalo nona le maswino nona le ngi nona le event tse tsa feleng ke shala monto ganela na tse gore moya o dirang ona no khona le ngwana nna ke na ngwana anda gana malwetsi mama uthi vele mama ke vele amngenele so amngenele uthi vele bamgive vele uthi ukaye vele ahlale stele awusho kube ukuthi umuntu vele ohlala stele kube ukuthi umuntu vele akasaphithizeli ngeweekend usendlini kanti Sunday siwabraya ubila pheke uthi vele kuqala vele that thing ukuthi besina ispark secale ngathi siyabuya vele ukuthi umuntu angihlonipha sesibudgeta together imali mayikhona sibe sibhala phansi awusho impilo ichubeke uthi ngibona ukuthi okay lo muntu lo so uyazisola and he's trying by all means to make me happy angithengela ama flowers sesiyakhona ukuthi masibe sontweni Sunday sizikhiphe siyakhona ukuthi siye kuma weekend away manje imali seyikhona kufanele sasikhathi bathi imali ayikho ile ukuthi beyikhona yabona like redenta like trying to build their relationship uthi kube nokuthi ngifile ngathi ngipregnant still ngama pregnancy testing you tester uthi to find out ukuthi angikho pregnant but like the excitement or ngaba pregnant ibe khona uthi ngibona ukuthi umuntu lo he's trying by all means with the relationship ube khona uthi one day I was just kick office ngifone ngithole strange phone call from this other guy yabo I was just okay receive like a phone call from this guy uthi angitshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi sihlangane ngeza officeini lakho la ngisebenza khona or we can meet at a restaurant la ku open space khona la ungafila khona safe uthi awushozi ngizibuza ukuthi umuntu lona like ungazela kuphaza ngazi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi asathi restaurant in uthi ke muzi ukuthi ngubani athi no you'll find out mina nawo masihlangana yabona uthi okay awushozi ngithi kuye ngithi iza e-office ngizongithola ngokumela reception area uthi vele athi okay give me excuse me 30 minutes ngizabe ngilapho uthi vele ngihlala uthi hayi vele ukuze vele ubhuti ogcukire ngivele ubhuti vele alright uthi vele afike yimi angibulisa unjani athi kudala vele followisha ngiku-investigate yabona athi ngingangani investigator ngenze ini athi indoda yakho sibani bani yabona uthi ngithi ya athi uhamba ngemoto so registration so obereka kukaka yabona uthi ngithi ya athi indoda yakho ijula nomfazi wami or also skisabelieve the person engimbona manje athi ngingabelieve ngithi unamanga cause already songikhomisela soft side yakhe alright uhlala sendlini in athi your husband angibuza ukuthi uhusband yakho yangaphuma ngomsebenzi nini athi yebo athi it's not about umsebenzi beyahambe nomfazi wami ba pretend ngathi i work trip kanti bengasi work trip beyahambe nomfazi wami I've got evidence uthi ngithi abuti like you're barking the wrong tree motho waka a di dire tutse uthi brothers atama video keep evidence anti the fail kulo bona like the receipt adenze ngibone vele ukuthi labantu laba mos baratana each and every time bayazikhipha mabasemsebenzi like kulo bona abantu abasebenza together and then they go out to lunch and they do whatever makashayisa bahamba bayibooka bayenzani uthi ubrothers kanti dala ibonile into lo aba followisha the whole time. So angikome athi yabona banongiretsa bang because I wanted to talk to you before ngakhuluma naye brothers uthi ugirl athi ngicela ukuthi ungambuzi I want to see for myself ngibona ukuthi into lo ikhulumayo like ngidiconfirmele yona na myself uthi okay sibazwane ke athi take my number sizokhuluma uthi vela nginikeze inumber yakhe sithathe naye athathe inumber yami okay sharp uthi isikhathi awushoza isikhathi si uthi mangifika endlini vele uthi this other time besi together uthi bengifuna ukuthi vele aphuze attack ngifuna ukuvula phone yakhe uthi hayi vele siyachila vele siyabasa uthi kumnandi vele uthi endlini vele ngipretenda as if aketsebeselo like not like everything is perfect uthi hayi vele siphuze vele ngimphuzise vele attack uthi bengifuna ukuthi akhona uvula phone yakhe abona ivula ngeprint uthi bengifuna ukuthi ngifuna ukuyivula uthi vele ngimphuse vele umuntu vele athi block uthi ngivula ifone uthi mangivula ifone ngithola vele udiscussa ngami ukuthi solo ngami angibelethi thala like isikuphu sawuhana ohlala usithela ametsi mara sehlale uthi like those bad things vele like bekahleba ngami kulomfazi nalomfazi nayo uhleba le ndoda ukuthi lo ana performance low performance in low performance in dunyana tsedijwawo uthi vele bahleba ngathi sithi relationship yabo it's about us bayahleba uthi ngithi okay screenshot ngizithumelele phone yami uthi everything vele ngiscreenshot ama conversation uthi abantu vele basendelana nama notes uthi hey baselana nama video umuntu use bathroom what yenza uthi izinto eziningi nje phone yakhe uthi ngithumele phone yami uthi ngidelete evidence uthi ngibonile uthi vele ngihlale naye ngisilalise vele the following day vele ngivuke vele kube mnandi ngimenzele breakfast angaboni anything ukuthi ngimjampile uthi vele the husband vele iqale vele WhatsApp ukuthi mara abantu labo baso evil uthi vele siqale lapho kube no conversation between mina and the husband siqale lapho vele sikhulume vele apha wanyela or yabona uthi qala lapho friendship kube friendship lana kanjalo uthi vele manginesikhathi vele sahlangana vele sathi isikhathi roba sobabhaqa kanjani labantu labo ikilo wabona hayi uthi sibatshela okay ubrother sathi asibaye sibangikwazi oyenzana sibabhaqa mabayobhuka together sibabhaqa vele eroomini boyi2 yabona kube ukuthi trap yethu vele iba like that uthi but the relationship be friendship ithi cala cool uthi one time sihlangane mina no brothers uthi brothers sikhuluma like inekifile horona le energy between the two of us uthi asikhuluma sicoce uthi umuntu mazohamba la vele angihug uthi from a hug to a kiss awushozi or hey sikhuluma uthi nami like ngizithole ngizibuka ukuthi sikhisene kanjani uthi sikhisana uthi vele ngihambe vele ngimotweni vele ngidabe vele ngindlise nginamahloni uthi ubrothers vele hamba uthi manje mangifike endlini angibhalele at how was the kiss balna ngekuba khona shewa matata or awushozi vele nami sengiyaqala ukuthi manje sengiba attracted to this guy ake mmona sekimona ka lihlulelele ngwaleni ake samona ka lihlile hore mosadi ha o tshwita le monna waka yabona uthi the husband endlini sengiyaqala vele ngiyamnyanya ukuthi lo muntu lo khohlakele khuluma ngami uthi like I can no longer pretend kahle kahle uthi sengiyamenzela athi hi babe all right ayuthi right but you like he can see ukuthi angekho right but akasisho ukuthi yini ngithi hayi mana umsebenzi awuzangi stress uthi yakhona umuntu yakho yakhona ungibona ukuthi akasi right even though angangipha any reason but yakhona ungibona ukuthi angisi right uthi I was sure the relationship mina no guy the married man uthi I relationship iqale sibe ne relationship outside imshado yethu soyithu or re be le relationship ibe relationship go beta batsa gore ba no re fihla re se se re bako nali the married man wa kontle uthi I was just relationship yethu yoku sneaky link uthi be serious to an extent gore ba no a re sa berekisa taba le protection se tirela ta life because of baba le thuba ilata life so what's blocking us with sila the life Ashep open what open Ashep's please move or I was just kube ukuthi vele uthi ngaphendleni vele kube ukuthi vele amalanga ngithi ngiyakhathala angisafuni vele ukuthi bangiphophole akisabatla because of kakwa popholing game yakakwa it's very serious it's serious and to next ukuthi manje ngiyamfila or like ngiyamfila akasihona next to me like sengiyamkhumbula yabona uthi ibe kanjalo indaba osho sijole to next door bana ngisithi akisafihla or kuyajola singatshintsha phela diwenconga khona singatshintsha vele nama undergarments vele singashintsha phela manje sengiba sexy or also sizikiba sexy to next door bana ngumona okwathoma jambo and endina ngisahlala ngisendini nami phela sengiyaphuma ngiyakho ishop ngiyakho ngiyamshiya uthi abone brothers with mala something off uthi ngimtshela ukuthi nasi mama rina lo weekend away as girls so ngiyahamba ngizabe ngikho la endlini so please behave yourself uthi ngikhuluma ngalo mzizu namuhla Thursday ngimtshela ukuthi tomorrow I'm going and ngiyobuya Sunday afternoon uthi ngalo mzizu awusho sikipakile the outfits sexy fair or I'm a sexy girlfriend ya enta onyitseni I'm a sexy girlfriend or ngiyasifila anything that ngigcoka ngiyasifila or keblela so angire nekijima kija healthy or ke khona ba khona conceive ngwana so hona no ke sexy or like I'm sexy and kapara akisatshwara like meonyadiwa I'm a girlfriend to that man or awusho umjolo wethu ube mnandi uthi weekend away akisabolela khona akisabolela dutsebe ditagala ko weekend away but I was impilo yabamnandi kanti the wife will bhaqa the husband ukuthi husband yacheata akayibhaqa uzobhaqa thola ukuthi ucheata nami ahamba tshela the boyfriend ukuthi lo ucheata lona kodwa awushozi siyabuya masibuya mangibuya ku weekend away ngithola vele my husband usendlini hayi vele mangifika vele angibuza ukuthi unesivakashi ngalesi kumele ukuthi awushozi vele ngifike uthi mangena claps mfazi ka married man uthi afike utshona ndoda yami in or awushozi akapheha ngathi angitshona ndoda yakho ngisho ngicela utshona yami indoda so asijoleni ke sonke soyi4 ngishila ukuthi sijole asijoleni sonke soyi4 uthi awushozi ngikhuluma so ngabe ngidosa isuitcase yami ngazele kamareni uthi awushozi ngibayekele bonke ba shocked uthi ngikhuluma nawe so my husband sina 2 full weeks asikhulumisani because of you solve kanjani le ndaba because ngijole nale ndoda because of ngifanda out ukuthi bona abajole together so aribledishan akangatshelanga ifamily akangatshelanga abangani akangatshelanga umuntu so it was khulumisana so aketsebe way forward ke bolela lona sona le monako aribulelishani but he knows ukuthi I ngifanda awuqala ukuthi yena bekachitha nalo mama mina ngabe sengijola nalo baba so now imofile matsogo le mauto atse gore a dire jwang I'm asking my followers angiphi advice gore from here ngenze njani but mina no guys simila sabonana naye nalogel bamila basabonana so resolve jwang taba rahlalana or saqhubeka but singayidiscuss ngoba ke square re dira